Bro, seryoso ka ba? Gusto mo ba talagang habulin ulit ang babaeng umalis, iniwan ka, o hindi ka pinili? At handa ka bang malaman kung bakit, kapag hinabol mo siya, lalo ka lang niyang hindi rerespetuhin? Maraming lalaki ang nalulugi hindi dahil sa kakulangan ng pagmamahal, kundi dahil sa sobra. Sobra ang habol, sobra ang pag-intindi, sobra ang pagpilit. And what happens when you chase a woman who already pulled away? Simple lang, nawawala ang respeto niya sa'yo. Hindi dahil masama siyang tao, kundi dahil psychology, biology, at stoicism ang nagdidikta ng dynamics na to. So in this video, I will break down exactly why chasing kills respect, and ano ang dapat mong gawin para ibalik ang power mo bilang lalaki. Part 1. Kapag hinabol mo siya, pinapatunayan mong kaya kanyang eye control. Bro, ang unang dahilan kung bakit bumababa ang respeto niya sa'yo, ay dahil ipinapakita mong kaya kanyang paikutan. Kapag sinabi niyang kailangan ko ng space, pero ikaw, todo chat, todo tawag, todo habol, you're sending one message. You dictate how I feel. At sa psychology ng attraction, ang taong madaling eye control, nawawalan ng value. Instead of seeing you as a strong man, nakikita ka na niya as someone weak, reactive, at dependent. Respect dies the moment she realizes kaya kanyang patakbuhin with a single breadcrumb. Part 2. Chasing tells her you have no options. In the eyes of a woman, ang lalaking walang options, walang halaga. It's harsh, pero ito ang realidad. Kapag hinabol mo siya habang siya mismo umaalis, pinapakita mong siya lang ang mundo mo. And what do people do when they feel you're too available? They pull away more. Women respect men who are selective, not men who are desperate. Chasing tells her, ikaw lang. Kahit anong gawin mo, babalik pa rin ako. And that kills attraction instantly. Part 3. You break the power of silence, the strongest move of a man. Sa Stoicism, isa sa pinakamalakas na form of discipline, ay silence. Pero kapag hinabol mo siya, binabasag mo ang sarili mong power. You show her, hindi ko kaya pag wala ka. Hindi ko kaya ang silence. And once she senses na dependent ka sa presence niya, mas lalo kanyang tinitingnan as weak. Remember this. A woman cannot respect a man who cannot hold his silence. Part 4. Chasing ruins your masculine frame. When you chase, you shift from masculine to feminine energy. Masculine energy leads, feminine energy responds. But when you chase, ikaw ang nagre-react, ikaw ang naghahabol, ikaw ang sumusunod. And that makes her switch roles. Ikaw ang nagiging soft, siya ang nagiging dominant. Women don't respect men they can dominate. Part 5. She must feel the loss, and chasing prevents that. Bro, attraction works through emotion. Hindi siya logical, hindi siya listahan. If she pulled away, she needs to feel what life is like without you. She needs silence, distance, and the absence of your presence to realize your value. But when you chase, you remove her chance to miss you. You remove her chance to question her decision. You remove her chance to feel the loss. Without loss, there is no respect. Without respect, there is no desire. Part 6. Chasing confirms you have no self-worth. Kapag hinabol mo ang babaeng pinakasakit ka, you're telling her, ginawa mo na lahat, pero ako pa rin ang humahabol. That doesn't show love, it shows low value. A man with self-worth doesn't run after rejection. He absorbs the pain. He elevates himself. He moves with dignity. And that kind of man, that's a man women respect deeply. Part 7. Women test your emotional strength, and chasing shows weakness. Hindi mo mapapansin pero, women test. They pull away to see if you'll panic. They give cold replies to check your reactions. They distance themselves to measure your emotional strength. And when you chase, you fail the test. You show fear. You show insecurity. You show emotional dependence. And in a woman's mind, if she can shake your stability, she cannot trust your masculinity. Part 8. Chasing kills mystery, and mystery is power. Bro, mystery is magnetic. When you're quiet, collected, composed, she wonders. Iniisip pa ba niya ako? Ayaw na ba niya sakin? Nagmahal ba talaga siya? And guess what? That curiosity builds respect. But when you chase, you reveal everything. You show her you're still there. You show her you're still waiting. You show her you still want her. Mystery dies. Interest dies. Respect dies. Part 9. Chasing interrupts your healing and growth. You're supposed to be rebuilding yourself. You're supposed to be leveling up. You're supposed to be regaining your strength. Pero pag hinabol mo siya ulit, you're turning all your energy outward instead of inward. You stop growing. You stop healing. You stop improving. And a man who doesn't grow, loses the one thing women respect the most, self-improvement. Part 10. The truth. If she truly respected you, you wouldn't need to chase. Bro, tandaan mo to. A woman who wants you, meets you halfway. She doesn't pull away. She doesn't ignore you. She doesn't disappear. She shows effort. She shows interest. She shows consistency. And if you need to chase her just to keep her, you're not her priority. You're her option. And the moment you chase an option, you destroy your value. Closing message. Bro, you don't win her back by running after her. You win her respect by walking away with dignity. The man who doesn't chase, wins the game. Because the man who doesn't chase is the man who respects himself. And that is the kind of man every woman eventually comes back to.